whatever device you have that runs Android, the messaging sucks. Yo, what's going on YouTube? This is Technically T, and today I want to bring you a quick video, man, to talk a little bit about something that's just, it always bothers me when I go from an iPhone to any Android device. Now, this conversation kind of stemmed from a tweet earlier from my man CJ. He has a YouTube channel, man, CJ Knows Tech. If you're not following him, I will drop a link to his channel above. So basically, he was saying was, why does Android messaging suck so bad in the compression when sending media, to other Androids, to iPhones, whatever it may be. Now, if you are mainly, now not mainly, but I do use iOS, or I do prefer using iOS over Android as my daily, man, and you're coming from iMessage. Now, I'm pretty sure everybody's familiar with iMessage, man. It is literally the golden standard when it comes to messaging, and no messaging app out there can touch it, point blank and simple. You can be an Android person or you can be an iOS person, and you have to admit that iMessage absolutely kills it. I mean, being able to send full quality pictures and videos without losing any quality whatsoever is just amazing in this day and age. We know we live in a social day and age, a social media day and age, man. There's no reason why Android still has these compression issues when sending media to other Android devices, to other iPhone devices. Now, I know plenty of you out there are gonna say, oh, just download WhatsApp or just download this app or whatever it may be. No, I'm looking for something native. I shouldn't have to download a third-party app to make something work. Android has been around long enough to where they should have figured it out by now to know any messaging on whether it be a Samsung, whatever device you have that runs Android, the messaging sucks. I'm just saying it. You can call this a rant or whatever you want to, but the messaging sucks coming from iMessage. Now, we know fragmentation with a bunch of Android devices. They probably can't come up with a solid medium where it actually works. Now, Android had it. It was right there. They really had it when they allow you to use Google Hangouts as your default messaging app. But what does Google do? They cut ties with Google Hangouts, and it doesn't let you use your stock messaging with Hangouts, and that was absolutely perfect. Hangouts was quick. You can send media through Hangouts, and I think it wasn't even lost in compression. I'm not sure if it was a lost in quality. I think it actually remained quality, but Google Hangouts was perfect. It was absolute perfect for doing that, and then they killed that functionality. Now we are back to square one. Now, on my Note 9, I'm not using the default messaging app. I'm actually using Android messages because I like it just a little bit better, but one thing I hate about it is the colors. The damn app is so colorful, and nobody wants to see all those colors. I like mine to be plain and simple. Now, you may can say that I'm kind of iPhone minded, but I don't want all those, this conversation is orange and this conversation is purple and this one is fuchsia. Nobody wants that. Android, Google, come out with something that is native. Come out with something that allows you to send to other Android devices to where you won't lose that quality. It's 2018, about to be 2019. And we're still sending videos, we're still sending media, and it looks like you have a Motorola Razr. Come on, Android, like Google, Android, I don't know which one's responsible for it, but please, this has to be fixed because you got people like me who loves the Note 9. I love it. I haven't thought about my iPhone one bit, but we live in a messaging age. So therefore, we text more than we talk on the phone, and I don't get a good texting experience when using an Android device. That's just straight up. I mean, that's just me. It's been something that's really been bothering me, and that's part of the reason. And people always ask me, why can't you fully commit over to Android? And I always say, I don't care about, I don't care about how all the app, the Mac and everything, that's cool. How everything's functioning together, the ecosystem, that's cool. But I text message a lot. I have so many group messages that I'm a part of, man, and group messaging on the Android sucks. I mean, you'll get a text from somebody first, and then you get a text, and then that text message will pop up in the group message. It's just like you get like 2 notifications. It's just, look, man, super clunky. Android/Google, whoever, get it together. You are losing customers because your messaging sucks, and iMessage is king. Part reason why I can never consider myself converting straight to Android is because your messaging platforms suck. I don't know, Google probably won't see this video, man, but make something, do something. I'm pretty sure there's a reason out there. I really didn't do a bunch of research before I made this video, and if I'm wrong, I can care less, but that's something that bothers me. Messaging on Android sucks. Messaging on iPhone is absolutely perfect. Let me know how you feel about it, man. If you're a user of both, let me know how you feel about it. Let me know how you get around it. There may be a third-party app that I don't know about that I might need to download and try out. But drop some comments down below, man. Let's get the conversation started. As always, this is Technically T, man. Hit that like. Definitely subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Catch you on the next one. Later.